that you know are gonna die. And cry for the children that you know will stay alive. Because the world is so fucked up. Because the world is so fucked up. We're all gonna die. Oh yeah, we're all gonna die. Oh yeah, we're all gonna die. We're gonna die. It's so fucked up. Oh, it's so fucked up. It's fucked up. It's so fucked up. So cry for the children that you know are gonna die. Cry for the children that you know are gonna survive. Because the world doesn't look like it's in a good shape. The world doesn't look like we're gonna survive. I think it's all gonna happen. We're all gonna die. Oh yeah, we're all gonna die. Oh yeah, we're all gonna die. We're all gonna die. Yeah, 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 we're all gonna. The world's so fucked up. Oh my God, we're so infected. Oh yeah, man, we're so infected, yeah. Well, that's a nice tune to start the morning off with, everybody. Hello and welcome to Jag Lives. Right, folks, good afternoon. As Grandad would say, postman's been. And he's been twice. Yes, he's been twice today. So, have you met my mate Stanley? What's that film? Name that film. Have you met my mate Stanley? Right, if you name that film. All right. Here we go. The first one is, well, I almost cut it. Jeez, oh. It's another hat, folks. It's a beanie hat that I got. So, oh, is this the style I wanted? I don't know. I thought I got a colour, man. Crikey. Right, let's see what it looks like on. Here we go. Which one? There we go. Right. Oh, yeah, man. Groovy. A nice pink one there. Right. I don't know about the colour, man. I went a bit crazy there with the colour, so. But hey-ho, you know. There we go. Right. Only £2. Brilliant value. So this one here, this is from our brilliant friends in America, Karen and Brian, who they come over every year. We always visit them. Last year we missed them, unfortunately. They were down south, more or less. And they always send us something. Look, I wish, honestly, guys, it's brilliant that you do this. It really is fantastic. Now then, Karen sent me a message saying, watch out for the sizes this time, Jags. Because I think last time I took Bro's one by mistake. So, let's see what we've got. What have we got? We've got an instruction manual. Right, what does it say? No, let's not look at that. Let's just see what we've got. Wow, what have we got? What have we got? Right, well that one I would assume would be for Rosie. That one there, it's got kind of like a little light top. A blouse, a chemise thing. A grey mart. Right, that I think that'll be for Rosie, so I'll put that one over there. And this one I think will be, yeah, look at these, man. Another couple of weird fish tops. Absolutely awesome. So, and what's this? We've got a £50 voucher. Thank you as a purchase. Here's £50 to spend on some out of this world wine from my friends at Virgin Wines. Wow. Crikey. £50 voucher. Is that? Yeah. Oh, excellent. Right, so we've got a large and we've got an extra large. So the extra large, that'll be for Bro. And I've got the large one, which is this brilliant colour. Is that going to go with that? I could go with that, man. It could be my new outfit. Fantastic. Oh yeah, man. Oh, well, you know what? We do like Weird Fish stuff. I wish Weird Fish would sponsor us, man. It'd be brilliant if they could do that. Weird Fish, if you're watching, sponsor Spiz. Right, let's get this on and see what it's like. And this one's Bro's got a green, kind of grey one this time. So excellent colour choice as always, Karen and Brian. There we go. Right, I'm going to go and put this on. Oh, is there something else in here? Hang on. Oh, hang on, there's something else. Oh, it's another thing for Rosie. It is, what does it say? A press printed jersey top. I think that one is for Rosie. That's normal for Rosie then. It's like this, it's got these sort of nice leaf patterns on it. Oh, wow, that's brilliant, guys. Honestly, absolutely fantastic. Right, let's go and try this one on. Here we go, right. Here we go, so. Right, there we go, folks. What do you think? I love the colour. I think this is absolutely fantastic. Wow, yeah. It's like a wine kind of reddy brown kind of nature colour. Yeah, I love it. This is by far my favourite colour one that you've sent, guys. I've got purple, green, blue, and now this red one. I've got a brown one as well, but this is just absolutely fantastic. And along with my hat, this hat, I must have bought it because I must have known you were sending this, Karen and Brian. The hat. There we go. I don't know. The hat might be too much. I don't know, man. But hey ho, there we go. Fantastic, Karen and Brian. Thank you very much indeed. You are fantastic. Absolutely brilliant, guys. Thank you very much indeed. It's really a welcome addition to our winter or summer. Even I just wear the summer just without a t-shirt on. It's just brilliant, man. I love it. This is my new favourite top, man. I'm going to wear it about the house and never take it off. Thank you very much. Right, how's the hair doing, folks? What do you think? How's the hair doing? Is it all right? This is about, what was that, a month ago I got a cut? I think it's a month. It seems to be growing into itself. I think it's looking all right, man, at the minute, isn't it? Yes. Right. Thank you, Karen and Brian. Thank you very much indeed. I'm sure Bro and Rosie are going to be absolutely delighted with their things as well. So, unless, is it for me? I don't know, because you know I like kind of things like that. Anyway, right, thank you. Right, folks, we are here now at Lidl's or Lidl's or Lidl's. I don't know how you want to pronounce it, but it is the German efficiency of consumerism. That doesn't sound right, does it? The technological German efficiency of consumerism. Yes, the technological German efficiency of consumerism. It's a mixture of that sort of word. We'll work it out. But we're here, folks. It's new in Dundee. This Lidl's, and we are going in to get just one thing: butter, a block of butter. There it is, folks. Right, there it is, folks. Mission accomplished. Pita breads, butter, bread, normal bread. And now I wasn't going to do what I normally do, going and go, oh, I could do this, I could do that, I could have a bit of this, and you end up, you know, buying loads of stuff. So I just put the blinkers on and just went for it, man. So, but I've got this strawberry conserve. Now, what's the difference between a conserve and a jam? I'm not actually sure. So they didn't have any strawberry jam, they just had this strawberry conserve. So I've had this before and it's actually really good, but I just don't know what the difference is between a conserve and a jam. But we'll investigate. But yeah, the shop's fine, man. It's good. You know, just the usual sort of thing. You've been in Lidl's, you've been in this Lidl's, you've been in every Lidl's. You know what I mean? It's like a McDonald's. It's always the same, man. You know, wherever you go. So, yeah, good car park. There are a lot of spaces and a lot of spaces. Yeah, nice. It's in a good area as well. This used to be an old part of DC Thompson's. Well, I don't know if it's part of DC Thompson's, but it was just like an old sort of industrial part of Dundee, and then they knocked down all the buildings here, and they waste for ages and ages, and nobody was sure what was going to happen. But eventually Lidl's went for it and got it. So there we go. Right, home time. Right, good afternoon, folks, and welcome to the kitchen, where today I've got a handy tip for you now. If you're opening a packet of noodles, you know, these simple packet of noodles. Now, in the bottom of these packets, you always get sort of, you know, little bits of noodles floating about in the bottom of the bag, don't you? So, and they always end up falling all over the kitchen floor, and you always end up having to hoover them up. So, here is my tip, folks. What to do is put them in a pan, because you're going to put them in the pan to cook them anyway. Now, tonight I've got two packets of these noodles because there's two of us. So, I've already opened one. So, what to do is just open it in the pot, and it's I tell you, it saves an awful lot of mess. Can I come up here and do it? Yes. Oh, there we go. Look at that. What an angle. There we are. Superb. There we go. Right, look, see? What you do then is just open them here All right, and just tip it, and there you go. And you can get the little sachet. There we are, and you've got your sachet there because they go in as well. So to save any more mess, just a simple cut. And how am I going to do this? Hang on. Trying to be clever. You don't want to cut it all because you don't want it all to fall in. There you go. Look, just pour in the contents of the flavour sachet, and there we go, folks. Simple, and it saves all the bits of noodles going everywhere. And just tidy up, and there we go. And voila, no mess on the kitchen floor. So fantastic. Thank you very much. A tip of the day there is: cut your noodle packets and put them in a pan to save any hassle. Phone books. Okay. Phone books. The phone book. Do people use phone books anymore? I don't know. Somebody just have to pile them down at the bottom of our bit. But I don't know, because you just look things up on your phone now, don't you? I don't think anybody actually really looks through a phone book anymore, do they? If you need a plumber or something, what do? You just kind of Google it, don't you? Well, at least that's what we do nowadays. But oh well, phone book is quite a dandy thing to have, isn't it? A phone book, you know. Everybody used to have one. It was an essential part of our communication network. And yeah, yellow pages in the phone book, they were always beside the phone, weren't they? And always well thumbed. And you know, they were, we need somebody to come and fix the bottom of the washing machine. What do we do? Who do we look for? And I wonder if I'm in the phone book. Let's have a look and see if I'm in the phone book, folks. F H O J. Right, let's see if Jag. Right, where's Jag? Jag. Where are you? It's Hudson J. Jag. Oh, is it under J? No, it'll be under. No, I won't be under that. It'll be under B. What have we got here? S-T, B, Bertie. Oh, hang on. Beth June. Where are we then? Oh, there we go, look. It's Bro. Bro's in it. I'm not in it. There's Bro's in it, but I'm not in it. Why is that then, I wonder? That's weird. So it appears, folks, that shades on that I am not in the phone book, but Bro is. So how's that? That's weird. Or is it weird? I don't know. Do you want to be in the phone book? Yeah, maybe not. Maybe. Actually, you know what? I think I did actually want to be ex-directory because of my fame and notoriety. I thought I'd better just keep my name out of the phone book. Yeah, I'm sure I did that actually when I started work at the bingo. You know that? Because all these women were trying to phone me and everything. It was a bloody nightmare, honestly. Right. I'm not in the phone book, folks. Stupid bloody thing, honestly. Is it working? Is it?